Hello, we're continuing our craft. So take your 3 popsicle sticks of the thing.
Is anyone plugged in?
Yeah, it's plugged in. So let's tell a story because we just gotta wait a second for it to dry up. Story time. Well, story time. Once upon a time, a child.
Hold this. I can't.
Hold it. Once upon a time, there was a child who loved LPS and actually got to hold Savannah Reed. Years ago. Oh my gosh, I glued it on the wrong side. You don't want to make a mistake while doing this, so open the thing.
And sometimes, if you don't have those, you can use like a pop bottle that you have and just cut it in half.
That too.
Don't show my face.
Don't worry. I won't. See? This is the craft that we're doing. Put one more dot at the side. Put another popsicle stick at the side.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
It's a vending machine.
I know, but what are those things?
Just to make it stand out.
Oh. I don't get it. And I'm going to start on the pool. So first you're going to put some water in the pool.
And that's pretty much it.
No, that's not it.
I'm just getting another glue stick because mine ran out.
And once you have the water in it, like so, I have my water in it. See, it's like filled up there. You will just you can take this that I made earlier, which was really bad, but I'm just gonna take it like that and put it in. And you can see that stuff does not sink in. So,
That's the LPS pool.
yeah.
And here we go with the LPS vending machine.
That's really it. And then you can put designs on it and draw stuff, but we won't show that.
So you might want to put these at the sides, just to let you know, and that's pretty much it.
So, bye.
Bye.